Hey car enthusiasts, transform your driving experience from ordinary to extraordinary with these unique gadgets that will elevate your journey on the road. Rednomads Settle Organizer. It is a versatile organizer with a tray for crucial items and a lap desk with a built-in cable management system. Its adaptability even extends to being used as a carry-on bag, ensuring all your essentials remain secure and organized. It can effortlessly transform into a picnic table when required. For those long journeys, the included trash bag comes in handy to keep your space tidy. The 3 concealed compartments are handy for storing wires, cables, and various gadgets. This organizer can also serve as a toiletry bag, a game hub, or even a more. Munchkin Brica Sun. Safety shade designed for easy snap-on and off application. These sunshades come to the rescue when the sun is beaming directly through your car windows. Made from quality polyester material supported by a solid frame, they protect you from the harmful effects of direct sunlight, including UV rays and potential sunstroke. Beyond just protection, they also offer an added layer of privacy. For added convenience, the one-push retract button ensures easy usage every time. Kammok Outpost Hammock Stand. An all-in-one stand can be assembled within a minute, eliminating the stress of finding the right trees or gathering extra tools. You can conveniently set it on your vehicle. Its telescoping legs and rotating ball pull adjust the hammock's positioning on varied terrains. Its feet ensure your stand remains stable, no matter where you set it up. It stretches over 12 feet to accommodate the tallest of campers. It's lightweight and compact. Built for durability, this hammock stand can withstand the toughest weather conditions and the most challenging adventures. JOYTUTUS Cup Holder Phone Mount. It serves as both a phone stand and a beverage holder. Expertly designed to fit smartphones up to 7 inches, it accommodates a broad spectrum of devices, from the iPhone 14 Pro Max to the Samsung Galaxy S10. Beyond phones, it's a drink holder and versatile enough to hold larger water bottles. Compatible with leading brand bottles or cups, it caters to sizes ranging from 18 to 40 ounces. If you need more space, simply remove the rubber tabs to fit bigger containers. An added advantage is its 360-degree rotational design that enables you to adjust your phone's position to your preference. Adakiit Car Emergency Kit. Designed to fit most car models, the Adakiit Car Emergency Kit offers a crucial safety layer for unpredictable scenarios. Packed with vital tools and supplies, a thorough first aid kit, dependable jumper cables, a strong tow strap, a window breaker, a caution triangle, protective work gloves, a resilient tow rope, and an LED flashlight. JOYROOM RCL16 FM Transmitter. A transmitter that effortlessly streams music from your phone directly to your car's speakers. With its state-of-the-art Bluetooth 5.3 technology, you are assured of quick, stable connections and perfect sound quality. Its controls make pausing music or answering calls easy, ensuring your primary focus remains on driving. An added benefit is its built-in echo-canceling feature. Beyond its connectivity capabilities, this transmitter also doubles as a charging hub, powering up 3 devices simultaneously. Dropracks, roof racks, a revolutionary roof rack solution to bring the loading platform down to a person's height, eliminating the need for overreaching or excessive force. Once your items are loaded, an easy crane system effortlessly raises it back to the top. With adjustable roof bars, it is versatile and can support up to 175 pounds. DURHAND Wheel. Dolly Tire Jack. Constructed from robust, heavy-duty steel, this wheel has a weight capacity of up to 1,496 pounds. This makes it perfectly suited for light vans and various other vehicles. Its footstep lever design ensures safety and eliminates risks like pinched fingers and shoulder strains that can occur during wheel handling. Furthermore, the integrated hydraulic pump mechanism simplifies the process of lifting wheels. DiskLok Security Device. It is classified as a Category 3 security device. It's an amazing protection against key duplicating and theft. It functions as a steering wheel lock that completely covers it, offering unparalleled protection. Its distinctive spinning mechanism makes it nearly impossible for thieves to access the steering. HOTOR Car Trash Solution. It can be attached to the car's front, back headrest, or center console. It can hold up to 2 gallons of waste with ease. Its waterproof design allows it to load away those moist umbrellas. Beyond its primary functions, this versatile gadget can also double up as a storage bag, ensuring that cups, toys, and other travel essentials stay organized within arm's reach. Fruble Camper Kit for Tesla. specifically tailored for Tesla Model Y enthusiasts passionate about the great outdoors. This comprehensive 31-piece kit revolutionizes your camping experience. At its core, the kit features versatile utility drawers that fit seamlessly into the back hatch, serving as the perfect foundation for your camp kitchen. Depending on your preference, you can opt for an induction or gas cooktop. Additionally, the kit boasts a convenient pop-up sink and ample storage space, even when the back seats are upright. Simply fold down the back seats, position the kit's drawers on top, and get comfortable sleeping quarters in your Model Y. Also, the lower trunk space remains accessible for all your storage needs. ShockFlo G1 Level 2 Charger. This 2-in-1 charger is designed for flexibility, allowing users to either carry it as a portable device or set it on the wall. Its adaptable current support can rapidly charge your car at up to 36 miles per hour, ensuring low downtime. The charger's robust construction guarantees it can resist dust, water, and others. Its built-in LCD screen also offers real-time data on voltage and the charging rate. You can also adjust the current output anywhere between 16 to 40 amps. And that is a wrap. Which of these gadgets caught your attention? Let us know in the comment section below. To get more from Autotech, subscribe to our channel.